Hello, and welcome to Songs and Stories from the Attic with me, your host, Eddie Danger, where I share songwriting tips, tell stories, and sing songs. And today I'm at the Kerrville Folk Festival, where we celebrate the art of songcraft. And one way that we do that is by sharing our songs that we've written in a song circle. And I'm here with Steve Gillette, who runs one of those, and he's going to tell us a little bit about how those go.
Thank you, Ed. Yeah, it's been one of our most active participants. Basically, we spend a couple hours, we listen to 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 songs. We talk about them, which of course would be forbidden at a campfire. You don't want to be so rude as to comment on whether or not song works. And here we just talk about all the issues of songwriting. But I feel like listening to the songs is what really brings those issues to the fore, and then we can discuss them and relate them to all of the songs that we're working on and all of the problems we have when we get home. It's nice to go home and have a dozen sets of ears to be able to bring to your self-editing process. So we have a lot of fun, and we hear a lot of good songs, some real great songs.
What are some common themes that come up, you think, in songwriting?
Well, we talk a lot about rhymes, trying to get the best rhymes, the best effect of the rhymes, but not bending your logic too much to make them work. We talk also a lot about the story arc of a song. Even if you don't have an actual story, a love song or whatever, doesn't it seem like as if it's like almost a joke craft where you give us a certain amount of information, then you build on that, and then in a great economy and without false steps too much, you just try to get to the place where it just falls into place. And we listen for that in songs, and we listen for possible stumbling blocks or things that weren't heard or things that come out a little bit. We talk about getting all the sled dogs to pull in the same direction, so a lot of ways to analyze the songs, but mostly we just go by each song and listen for what's there and then talk about it.
And this is the 44th year of the festival?
44th year of the festival. I think it's about the 10th year of this circle, maybe even more. I think it was mid-90s when Rod Kennedy gave me the go-ahead to write my own job description and just do this critique circle. So maybe we're on to 17, 18 years by now. I don't know, but we're having a great time. Yeah.
All right.
Thanks for joining us, Ed. It's been great.
Any final words?
No, come to Kerrville and bring your song. And, you may be surprised at what songs can accomplish. Not so much a matter of the music industry as it is a matter of the music, what's there.
Yeah. Well, thanks for talking on that.
Thank you, Ed. Thanks for having me.
Yep.